Oh man, there's so much there. These days, I would basically never use anything imperative into creating my infrastructure, the base infrastructure. That's not to say that you can't have, when you have your application or your product or whatever running, it might need to manage life cycles that are more imperative because there's very like specific details to you. I would say though that when you're doing builds specifically and anything that's very dependent on reproducibility, so you want your build system and your delivery system to be the same every single time. Like you do not want it to be special. It is not my best friend that I have to be like emotionally tied to it. I don't need to like check in on it all the time, or I don't want to check in on it. Like my best friend, I'm totally fine being like, hey, how are you doing? Like, are you having a good day? Sweet. Oh man, this happened to you. Yeah, I'm totally fine doing that. My CI/CD system, I want it to be basically like emotionless drone that literally does the same thing over and over and over again and doesn't like get annoyed that something has changed or whatever. I fundamentally believe that you want things that are very predictable and that declarative style of approaches are predictable. Imperative, there's edge cases, there's just so many things that you can't think of that come in play. The amount of times I have where they have like a wait timer because like, wait this amount of time until like whatever, and you're like, wait, why? And it's usually because like something's not responding fast enough or whatever. And a lot of tooling these days just has that built in to like if you're using Terraform or OpenTofu or something along those lines, being able to define the state exactly declaratively just removes any of those, well, maybe not any, but most of those kind of like issues that you run into.